Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we're looking at Northern Attitude by the great Noah Kahan. This piece takes 5 chords. First we'll look at those chords individually, then the patterns of them that get us through the song, and lastly we'll go through the whole song as a tutorial. Those moments are in the description and the key moments below. Let's get playing. The first chord is an E flat major, so we'll start on E flat, G, B flat, E flat major, E flat, G, B flat, and then we take that to a C minor, C, E flat, G, C minor, C, E flat, G. Get those down good. Those are the only 2 chords we need for the verses, intro, outro. In the pre-chorus, we are going to add a G minor, spelling that G, B flat, D, G minor on a G, B flat, D. Excellent. As we get into the chorus, we'll have 2 more chords, our B flat major, B flat, D, F, B flat major, B flat, D, F, and right next door below it, A flat major. Everything comes down a whole step, so we do an A flat, C, E flat, A flat major, A flat, C, E flat. Last chord we need. Get those down. Now let's look at some patterns. In the intros and choruses, we go back and forth just between 2 chords. That E flat major, and this song likes to twirl it, and this C minor. Four beats of each on the verse. We go from the E flat, ready, play, 2, 3, 4 to the C minor. Different rhythms for that we can do. Doing the root and the 3rd and the 5th on a bum ba 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 rhythm. On the pre-choruses, we'll start again on that E flat for 1 measure, then also to that C minor again for 1 measure, but then we're going to add in our G minor before we go back up to that E flat. Then it repeats, E flat, C minor, G minor, D minor. It then goes into a big, fun instrumental, which is the same pattern as the chorus that succeeds it. Let's look at that pattern. We start on an E flat again. Go figure. 2, 3, 4. But we want 2 measures of it. Then to that A flat for 2 measures. Up to the B flat for 2 measures. Back to the A flat for 2 measures. We repeat E flat, get too close, A flat, and I'm not high, B flat. Let's take a look at the whole song now in 2 hands. I will often be putting the roots into my left hand, so when I'm playing that first E flat chord, I may have an E flat in my left hand just for some texture, right? When I go to the next chord, C minor, might add some C in my left hand. Later, I might add 2 to help give us some more texture, play with the rhythm a little more in both hands. So check that out. Ready? Our intro starts lightly on that E flat. We get 2, 3, 4, E flat, C minor. Verse 1. Last time. Pre-chorus 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3 to the G minor, to the E flat. whole, then our instrumental. Two measures of each B flat, first time. Chorus. If I get too close, and I know how you know. B flat, forget another was raised on instrumental, just like the intro. Verse 2. Last time. Pre-chorus. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, G minor. 2, 3, E flat major. Starts again on A flat. 2, 3, 4. C minor. Feel the pulse. G flat. Kick in, rocks. Hold. Big instrumental. On the beat. There's our B flat. Chorus. If I get too close. One more time. If the sun don't rise till the sun B flat. I was raised on. Here's the bridge, same pattern. All the big oohs soaring. Another round of those oohs. Final chorus. Get too close, feel the beat. If the sun don't shine. A flat. Last B flat. Last B flat. I was raised on. Outro. E flat. There you have it. Go through that again with me. Practice makes better. I loved playing with you today. See you next time. Play on.